How's everybody doing? Alright guys, we are here at Gold's Calgary today, and I'll be doing the full body workout. It's for lean bulk, and let's get started. There are a bunch of exercises that we're gonna do together today. We're gonna start with the push-ups, 30 push-ups, 3 sets, just for the warm-up. Alright, track it down. Let's get started. You're going to do heavy bench press, 3 sets, 8 to 10 reps, whatever works for you. Let's get started. Alright guys, you're done with the wide grip bench press. Now you gotta do closed grip bench press. It hits your tricep and also the inner chest. Alright. Alright guys, now I'm going to show you how to do shoulder military press, and we're going to do 3 sets. Make sure you have a proper position and your elbows are tucked in when you bring it down, and elbows are straight when you take it up. Let's do it. So when you do the shoulder shrugs, make sure you do back and up, or up and back. Squeeze your shoulder blades and also your traps. It works at your shoulder blades and your traps at the same time. So you're gonna hit 2 muscles at a time. Make sure you do the proper position. Alright guys, for the triceps, you can do tricep pull downs with a rope, and also you can include in diamond push-ups. Alright, let's get started. Let's do the diamond push-ups. After working out on the triceps, now we're going to hit the back. In the back, we're going to do lat pull downs and seated rows. Let's get started. And while doing seated rows, make sure you keep your back straight. and make sure your form is right, all right? Let's get started with the seated rows. One is your most favorite, squats, deadlift, and we're gonna do leg press. So guys, make sure you guys don't skip on your legs, because this is the most important part of full body workout. And I have done it, I have been there, and I know this exercise is gonna get you jacked, and it's gonna help you achieve your goal of lean bulk. After hitting the squats, let's hit the deadlift. Deadlift is really important. Make sure you keep your back straight, and you can also learn about, I like to learn about keeping the back safe. Let's get started. Alright guys, we're done with the deadlift. Now let's get started with the leg press. We are supposed to do 3 exercises: squats, leg press, and deadlift. We already did the squats and deadlift. I'm going to do leg press. Let's do that. We're gonna do planks and leg raises. If you guys like doing some other type of abs exercises, you guys can include that as well. But I like doing leg raises and planks. That works for me. Let's get started. Now we're gonna do planks, the most favorite one. If you're gonna make it a little harder, watch me. This exercise is kind of modified. It also works on your triceps with planks. Let's do it. So when you're doing a plank, make sure you try to squeeze your stomach and keep your back straight. Let's do this. You can also include a little bit of push-ups if you want to make it a little hard. Back again. I usually try to do 1 minute planks, couple sets. Biceps, when it comes to biceps, I like doing my biceps with a rod. I do wide grip and close grip for the bicep muscle, and I also do reverse grip curls for the forearms. So let's get started. This is what I mean by wide grip. Now we're gonna do 3 sets of close grip. Close grip is really good when it comes to working on that cut, the bicep cut. So that's when we do close grip. Let's get started. So this is gonna be close grip. You're gonna slowly bring it down, and when you're at the top, squeeze your bicep like this. Squeeze. Alright guys, I just did my full body workout, and I just did 1 set of each exercise. You guys can do 3 sets of each exercise, and this program is really good for beginners and intermediate weightlifters. You're gonna get insane results with it in the first 3 months when you do it. Trust me, I have done it. And please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and thanks for watching. Have a great day, guys.